Hey there everyone, my name is Hitesh and welcome to the playlist of FreeAPI.app, an open source project to learn and master API. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic guide of how you can set up the email functionality. For the entire project, you don't need the email API, so we have designed it in such a way that it doesn't really bother you much. But in case you want to use something like social or e-commerce or something else, a complex level project, in some of the places we are using the mail section as well, which helps you to either verify the user, forgot the password, or maybe a couple of bunch of other places we have used the emails. So that functionality, if that is there, you need to set up your email. Now for that, you can obviously go ahead and use your Gmail or something, but we'll walk you through with something which is a little bit more professional. We are using one such service. There are many other such services available, and almost the comparison and the way we have written the code is compatible with others as well, almost similar to that. So let me walk you through how you can do that. Let me share my screen. And all you have to do is go into, or you might have already done that. So environment simple, just go ahead, copy everything and place it into .env. This portion of the environment variable is the basic token setup and everything. We have already worked that. You don't need to change this. This is the portion where you need to actually do a setup if you want to start the mails as well. For the mail in this entire project, we are using Mailtrap. We still so far haven't got any sponsorship or something for Mailtrap. We would love to get that, but we are using it as we found that one of the most easy and amazing service to go ahead and use that. This is how it will look like as you will be signing up. And by the way, you can just search for it. It's super easy. Go ahead and say that, hey, I want to use a Mailtrap. And then there is a pricing, plans and everything available for this. We are using a free tier of it, of course, and obviously. This is more than good enough for us. We get 100 emails, test emails per month, which is more than enough for us just for testing. Just start with the testing email, not the send email. Start the testing email. Then you have to create an add inbox. So go ahead and add an inbox. Inbox name, we'll call it as FreeAPI. And click on save. This will generate an inbox for us. Let's go ahead and get into the inbox. By the way, you can grab a lot of information from here as well. I'll click on this. Then it says how you want to integrate. We want to integrate it through the, by the way, you can grab this information from any of these dropdowns. The easiest one to find is the node mailer because it actually gives you directly. So here is your host name, here is your port name, and in the auth side, you have user and the password. By the way, you will get this password as soon as you copy this. This is now available to you. So go back into your source code. Let's create a new file, paste everything. So all this information is given to you. So you don't have to copy this code. So go ahead and just copy this portion of it. Go into your environment variable, just remove everything from there. And this is how you want to paste your host. That's it. Similarly, we have to go ahead and get the port. So go ahead and copy this port. And this is the port that we have. So go ahead and add the port. Then the user and the password. This is exactly what we have. So go ahead and just grab the string value, not the string itself. We have already taken care of the rest of the part. So this is our ID. And similarly, we are going to go ahead and get our password for it. This is always generated differently as soon as you'll be creating that. So you can go ahead and grab your own. So this is all you have to do. Save it in case your project is already in the Docker or something. Just rebuild the Docker container. In case you're using a direct node install npm package, just go ahead and restart your server, and that is it. Now, as soon as you want to reset the credential or something, just click on this, and this will actually reset your credential. And now, if you just refresh this, your password, email, user, everything will be generated fresh for you. So you can grab as much as you like or whatever you want. There's SMTP and a whole bunch of things. From any place, we just need those values. So go ahead and grab those values. And that's basically it. Once you do that, that actually enables your emails and password, not emails and password, but email service for your application. All of your emails will actually be available to you in the inbox itself. So all you have to do is click on inbox. And this is where you will find your emails. So on the left hand side here in this portion, you will find all of your emails available to you. So any reset password or everything will be coming up directly in your inbox itself. So that is it for just setting up your emails for the FreeAPI.app. In case you find any trouble in enabling any more service which is available or something, do let us know in the comment section or on the GitHub. We will make videos for it to understand it better. Fantastic project that we have worked on. Go ahead and share this project. Give us a star on the GitHub. We would really appreciate to make this project big for the learners, by the learners itself. That's it for this one. Let's go ahead and catch up in the next video.